This is a little tutorial to go with my free pattern Riggies Cowl. This is just going to take you over the basics of the construction, which begins by casting on back here, and you're working back and forth in garter stitch, and you're also making yarn overs at the outside edge here to shape the cowl as you work this piece. And you'll also be doing a slipped garter stitch edge along the top neck there. And it's worked in two pieces, so you can see that kind of clearly from this example because I used two different colors for the two sections. So you work one piece flat, and then you work the second half flat, and then the live stitches of both of those are going to be joined together with a 3-needle bind off at the front here. And I used a contrast color to do my 3-needle bind off, just to add a little pop of color in there. You could of course use one of the colors that you used for each segment there. The back part I just seamed together afterwards, and I actually blocked this before I seamed the back because it's a bit easier to block it when it's flat and open. And for blocking, I also picked up each of these yarn over loops with a blocking wire, just so that I could also stretch those out. There are two sizes for this pattern. So in this one here, in this case, I did the two segments in the same color, did a contrast color, 3-needle bind off again in the center here. And then I also picked up at the top neck edge here and did a purled I-Cord bind off. So in the pattern, you will find links to video tutorials for the purled I-Cord bind off, and also for how to make the yarn over loops at the outside edge here. And the smaller version uses just 2 balls of Jamieson Spindrift, and the larger one, you're probably going to be going into a 3rd ball there. And that's it for the Riggies Cowl.